Okay, so I got to the plugin, the sweet thing. Get this plugin. Now it's in my inventory. So let me go and open Roblox Studio. So I'm going to open Roblox so you can see it right now. I'll show you what you can kind of configure of it and how to install it. So let me just close this. Load up a new game, and so the first step is that you have to insert it. So when you go, you have to click on inventory here. Just click it. Okay, I can't really see. You have to click on your inventory button and then change this to say plugins. Don't worry about this. Then you see this thing called checkmiln suite. Click on install. Install, and then click on your plugins, and then you will see it here. It will say unavailable in published games because it's only available in games that are published. Publish to Roblox, and then you type in. So now let me go to create this. Now it's loading. So I'm kind of sorry for all the noise. It'll say allow plugin checkmiln suites to access license at checkmiln.cloud, which is their website. I think. Yeah, let me actually try entering that. You have to click on. You should, because that's their little. So then you click on download. Allow. So then if you go back to plugins, you'll see update checkmiln and install. So you have to click on install. Sometimes this might just be a single thing, and then install, and it will say, do you want to allow plugin checkmiln suite to manage scripts in your game? So yeah, just click on allow. Yeah, and then finally, I think it should probably be putting in that. See inside of it, you should click on. Yeah, you have to click it again, and you see this little UI. Which version checkmiln to install? I think as the current stable version system 4.0 includes its new interface function. It's recommended for 4.0. And if you have any in it, it'll just delete everything. So click on install 4.0. And here's it down here. So now I'll just kind of show you on how to set it up. Thing is that I go in options and then change this one here, and then no, not that. This one. I wouldn't recommend making the standard one be false. Here, so now we have the receptionist have ranks for it, which I'm not gonna do that. So the rank table, you can make it be like my group and the minimum one. Staff card, I normally would enable this. GUI options, this I would change. So yeah, so you want the changes to be like your group. If you set it to 0, it'll be off. So now we have GUI options. So really saying, if it was like a pop-up when someone's trying to check you in, I think it's from the receptionist, you'll have it pop up or automatically do it. I would say it'd be true, so no one edits it. And now we have the self-check-in. If you ever want your self-check-in to require a game pass, yeah, so I'm going to see, and then I would try, you have your theme. Yeah, I think I would set this to be dark. I don't know. It's supposed to be like that, and then if it's slightly see-through. Background image, you can change it in your welcome message. You can say welcome to the hotel name, and this means your username. You can say welcome to the hotel user. Welcome to the hotel name to user. And then we have the miscellaneous. So yeah, you can't edit these. These settings are really configuring the items. Basically all you could do. So now we have our little pack. So we can go here, TV. So use custom is the mode normally default is. one that the same style that your system is, or you could use the dark mode. Sometimes the other one doesn't work and like a big pain, so I would just do that. And you have your little self-check-in parts. You have the dark and light here, the self-check-in things, and then here. If you go, there's also more stuff. If you go back into your folder and go, since you have enterprise features, so you have to have enterprise. You can change your colors to dark. You can change like color. You can change your background color, the top bar color, your handler. You can do that. But what I would do is like sometimes on these buttons they make it be black on that, and I don't like that. Disable text color, switch color icon. Fonts, you have these fonts here. And the GUI, there's not that much you can edit here. Points, I'm gonna keep that enabled. You can make the reward be like 10, so it'll give you 10 points. And you have the data store. It's kind of like saying if you want to have like a custom GUI, you could do that. Discord webhook, you can add a Discord webhook, which I think it is where if anyone checks you in or out, it will send them to your Discord server by a webhook. You can set check in, check out true or self check-ins. I think that's on it. That used to be false, but in launch you should not edit. See, I recommend not to change the scripts because inside of this, every time you update it, it's just gonna delete everything. Like let's say I deleted watch. So I hope this doesn't break it. That's where you have to like do something like that. Well, yeah, it has to be like this, and then you type in like 3.1. It's gonna think it's 3.1. It's thinking it's 3.1 now, so you can kind of confuse it. Don't mess with it here. So that's basically all. So now let's go into our door system. So this staff door is used with the staff key. Now I'm going to go into here. So you can create another one, and then I would just go into here, options, and copy like the premium suite name. Oh, this is messed up. It's supposed to be like right here, I think. And then just close that. I'll just copy this premium suite thing because if you type it incorrect, the door's just not going to work. So then you go to your options, your room number, like you can make this be like 203, and then room type is your room type. And then timer is like saying, I'll just kind of show this out. The timer is kind of saying that on this there's like a clock on it, but it doesn't really work that great. I'll show you kind of how it works next here. So we'll be using this weather system here. I also put in a comment on the description when I get to it. So then that's basically all of it. So don't ever see these. Do not delete any of these. I think it also says it here. Well, help, it says do not remove any of these. Because if you remove it, it's not going to work. So what you could do is that players can actually pick this up. It doesn't remove on start. So you just put them under the map. And then here we have the little board. You can move this wherever you want. It's just the one from 3.1. And then now we have, that's basically all of it. You can customize basically a lot. You can even change, we had to have this screen part. So that's all of that. So now let's go to, the part on how testing it. You cannot test in Studio. Let me show you. So I'm testing in Studio. And so, yeah, you can see the door. I can just walk through it, but it's not really working. You see, I can't use any of these stuff. Just walk through all the doors. I don't think it's supposed to do that. We click on stop, and then you have to publish it. So I'm just go in my game settings, go missions to be friends, and then now let me just open the game. Right now, I just go here and then Roblox. Now we have our place open. So let's go and open in Roblox client. It should be opening up soon, and then I'll show you kind of on how it works, and then that'll be us wrapping it up. I hope I don't have too much footage here. So now let's go inside. Oh wait, I don't edit. You had to publish. You had to click on publish to Roblox again to save your changes. So now let's go and back here. Also, I never really use my alt account, so it's just my alt account. So yeah, here you can see the point system working. Here's how it looks. So this is how the software opens. Yeah, like this. Here the door, and then you have the premium suite. You have 203. Actually, didn't we even get this working? Yeah, let me. Well, it would show 101 on there. So let's just check into a room. Try standard. Okay, I don't think it's working. Premium? Yeah, so premium. It will work. You just have to set the other one to standard. Yeah, so there we go. You can also I'll show you some extra features after this. You can manage your room, like turn this. You don't have to disturb. I don't think lets us like this mode. But private mode makes it so like staff can't really go. Dora tells you all about it. It's your card. I don't think this adds, it doesn't really do anything, but also if you're not done over there, I'm gonna just show that. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you this. So when you click on this, it'll start loading up. It seems like I don't know what. Yeah, it's white theme actually. Yeah, it didn't really work, but it's kind of weird. You click on getting started, tell you how to do it. On check icon, you can all read this and desire check. You click on some tips. So now you click on this, another tips, and that's all. So I'll show you how to check you in. You can type in your name. You doesn't have to type in your whole name. Just type in. And I'll set premium, and then when you there are no. Wait, let me just check out first. Check out, and then yeah, I'll say you haven't checked out. Then you type in go to check, and then premium suite, and then you select the room. Asks you right here, click accept, and type in it. I'll have that just to let you know. And then yeah, it's mostly stuff, and you could also that, and you can also do it here. You can click on it and see. So now the checks went out. You click on the name, and then it's just like the same. So there are some settings you can change. Dark mode. So I would really do it. Mobile mode. This makes all the buttons bigger. The language is coming soon. 3.1 has it. Again, you can click on about, and then you can buy it. You can find your bug. It will ask you submit it there. And yeah, we start it. So let's go back here. So then you go to weather. So you have to install like your weather system. So you click on this and then install it. And then you click on publish to Roblox again. And then you can go back to your game. And then something kind of interesting will happen because it will show. Remember, you probably could have saw it, but there's like a little clock. The only problem is that it's kind of dark outside. Let's just check into it. It's actually kind of nice. This is white. I like the white thing better. And then you select your room. I'm going to do premium because that's the only one available. Go on it, and then you just open the door. Other one. Yeah, you can see it says 6:02, and that is what time it is in here. Like, ATOM is also compatible with this, and you can tap the screen. Yeah, it's all normal. Oh yeah, and then now let's go on to the point system.